spacer on a continuously moving belt conveyor. A product sensor detects when the proper amount of the products are in place, and then an elevator plate lifts the product to the loading station, where it is held in place by a set of stacker plows, which allow the elevator plate to return to the waiting position while the products stay elevated in the loading station. The process is then repeated until the correct collation of the products has been achieved. In this application, a total of 6 cycles are required to achieve the desired loading pattern of 4 wide by 6 high. Once the products have been properly collated, they are automatically loaded into an erected carton via a pneumatically driven overhead product loading accessory. The loading side dust flaps of the case are closed, and it is then fed forward by an air cylinder. Once the case is out of the loading station, a pneumatically driven standard vacuum arm arrangement automatically erects a new case by suctioning the vacuum cups to the blank in the magazine and bringing it down to form against a breaker plate. A set of dust flap tuckers closes the back dust flaps and stays in place to prevent any product from going through the back of the erected case. Once the product is loaded, the loading side dust flaps are closed and the case is fed forward by an air cylinder onto a set of belts which continue to drive the case forward through a set of tape heads. A spring-loaded device activates the tape heads, which apply tape to both sides of the carton via a roller application. When the case is passed through, the spring-loaded device activates a knife blade, which cuts the tape, and a roller finishes applying the tape to the side of the case. The loaded, sealed case is then automatically discharged from the machine and